Hey, I'm Vignesh, and this is a demo of Greenlight. It's a GitHub action that makes a test plan based on your teammates' PRs and drives them end to end in a real browser, and then comments back on the same PR saying, what worked and what didn't. And finally, it will also give you a recording of the entire browser session, so that you can go and watch it and get confidence that the PR actually works and does what it's supposed to do. Yeah, I'm excited to take you through the demo. So let's assume that you and your teammate are working on a SaaS web app, and he's adding a new feature to include promo codes. So the user can go into the landing page and type a promo code, and if it's incorrect, it will give you the error message, and if it's one of the correct promo codes, then it gives you 20% off. Okay. And he will open a PR, right? And let's say he tags you as a reviewer. Now you have very minimal context, right? You have the PR title, description, and the code, but nothing else. Maybe a ticket, but you don't have the confidence that it's actually working end to end. In order to get that confidence, you have to pull in the branch locally and then test it yourself. Well, with Greenlight, you don't have to do all that work anymore. It fires on every PR that your teammate opens, and it creates this test plan, right? Here's an example. So it created two test cases. One is the success scenario where applying the valid promo code PITSR20 shows a success message, and it discounts both the packages by 20%. And the original prices should also be struck through. This is exactly what should happen. And here you can see that it's breaking down the test into multiple steps. These are the steps that will be followed in the next part, which is the browser execution part, right? So it's scrolling down to it will scroll down into the pricing section, and it will type PITSR20, and then it will click apply. And finally, it will expect a success message saying 20% off applied. And if your teammate or anyone who opens the PR is not happy with the test plan, right, then they can just go and edit anything they want, right? And they can also add new test cases, and that will get honored in the actual execution step. And here we can see another test case for the failure scenario. Applying an unrecognized promo code shows an error message, right? And finally, once the test execution is done, it will give you another comment saying what worked and what didn't. So here both of them passed, which is good. And you can also watch the session replay. So all the replays are stored as GitHub artifacts, and you can just click it to download and watch it, right? And I'll just show you an existing one. So it looks like this, right? So it went into the browser, the actual web app, and then it's going through the first test, which is to type PITSR20 and applying it. That worked. And then now it will move on to the second case where it will put a wrong promo code, and that gave us the invalid promo code error, right? And yeah, that's it. It validated everything. And it's very easy to install Greenlight. So all you have to do is add one secret, which is the Greenlight API key. And this is the key that will be used to connect to your LLM provider. So it can be OpenAI, Anthropic, Fireworks, anything like that. And this is an optional secret. If you have Vercel bypass, a wall set up, then we need to set this secret, bypass secret, and then it will be able to access your preview deployments, right? And that's the secret step. And then the second step is to just copy this workflow into your own repo and put your own model key. And that's it. Any new PRs will start seeing Greenlight plans and browser execution. Yeah, thank you for watching, and let me know if you have any comments.